Hello students, this is our chapter number second or unit number second, our day of English, raindrops, class second. Our day. Hello, it is morning, here comes the sun. It rises in the east, the birds start singing. Our day begins now, and the sun gives us light and heat. The sun sets in the west. It is evening now, the moon has the stars come out, birds go back to their nest, people go back home, they have dinner and go to bed. Complete the following. The sun rises in the east. Our day begins when the sun comes out in the sky. The sun gives us light and heat. The moon and the stars come out at the sky. The birds go back to their houses or nest, go to their bed. Look at the picture and say who is doing what. Can you use the word given in the box on has one has been done at as example. Mazhar is writing. Jury is dancing. I can read. Sarita and Raman is skating. They are eating bananas. Read the following sentence. Here comes the sun and it rises in the east. It refers to the sun. It is used for one. Give below and pairs. Given below are the pairs of words. Your teacher will say one word for each pair. List to the teacher and take the word you hear in their pair. Just a tin, fill, ship. Okay. When you hear the word sun, what are the things that come to your mind? Write them doing in the circle on has been done for you. Sun give us light, heat, shine, day, bright, or red.